What's up friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable apps on QuillBot on your Windows PC or laptop. Now, once you're in QuillBot on your computer or open up the app on your PC, click on settings and on the left side, you'll find active apps. Click on that. Now, this is going to show you different apps that you can either install. For example, it gives you the option to install on the browsers, but you can also get that within the browsers as well. So, for example, in Google Chrome, you can either click and install here, or you can just go ahead and open up the browser itself and go to, for example, extensions, then visit the Chrome App Store and you can type in QuillBot, for example, and you can add the extension from here. So I already have it added, so I don't have to go ahead and add it again. So it is not necessary for me to install it here. But for other apps such as WhatsApp, Slack, Notepad, Outlook, Teams, Word, and so forth, you can easily enable and disable these different apps as you wish, right? So that's how easy it is. You just toggle these on or off, and it will be available in the app or not. And that's it.